So let us continue with straight lines chapter, and let me give you some concepts on straight lines. See, this is a straight line. This is a straight line. This is also a straight line, right? So any equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a straight line. Now let's say this is a coordinate axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and there is a line which is making some angle. Then this is called as, then the slope of this is given by tan theta. Slope is always denoted by m. M is equal to tan theta. Now suppose if two points are given to us, x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then how do you find out slope? Slope is always denoted by m. Formula for the slope when two points are given is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Then suppose a line is given to you, ax plus by plus c is 0. Then in that case, how do you find out slope? Slope is given by minus a by b. And if angle is given to us, suppose angle is theta, then in that case, how do you find out the slope? Slope is given by tan theta. So these are the three formulae with different conditions. Like when points are given, we use the first formula. When the line is given, we use the second formula. When the angle is given, we use the third formula. Now, after completing slope, let us see how to find out equation of a line. If suppose a point is given to us x1, y1 and some slope is given to us m. So using a point and a slope, how do you find out equation of a line? So that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is called one point form, or you can also call it as point slope form. Now suppose 2 points are given to us. Then we use 2-point form here. What is that formula? Y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 into x minus x1. This is called as 2-point form. Understood? This is 1-point form. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is 1-point form and this is 2-point form. If you are finding 2-point form difficult, then there is one more way. First find out the slope using the 2 points and then use 1-point form. Both the ways you can do. Understood? Now we have intercept form. What do you mean by intercept form? Like suppose this is coordinate axis, this is a line. Okay, this is called x-intercept. This is called y-intercept. So if you know x and y-intercept, this is origin, this is x, this is y, and here you have a point A, and here you have a point B. And this distance is A and this distance is B. Then in that case, how do you convert the line equation into intercept form? That is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Now, if I want to convert the equation into slope-intercept form, what is slope-intercept form? Y is equal to mx plus c. And what is normal form? If they ask you to convert the given equation in normal form, that is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. These are the three different forms of a straight line. Let us take a problem now. We will see how to find out equation of a line when 2 points are given. So here, what are the 2 points? 2, 3 and 1, 2. So first let us see what are the given points. Given points are A2, 3, B1, 2. So first let us find out the slope. So slope is denoted by M. Formula for slope when 2 points are given is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here A and B points are given. We take it as x1 y1 and x2 y2. So that is 2 minus 3 by 1 minus 2. That is minus 1 by minus 1. That is 1. Now we will find out equation of a line with any one of the point with point A2, 3 and slope 1. What is the formula? We use 1 point form here. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So here y minus y1 is 3 equals m is 1 into x minus 2. So you get x minus 2 is equal to y minus 3. Take all right hand side terms to the left hand side. X minus y plus 1 is 0. Either you can do this way or directly you can apply 2-point form formula. Even that is easier. Now take the next question. Find the equation of the line which makes equal intercepts on the axis and which passes through 7, 8. So whenever you find this term intercepts, always remember we need to use equation of line in intercept form. So what is equation of line in intercept form? It is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. But what is given to us? Given equal intercepts. What do you mean by this? That means a and b both are equal. So can I put b as a? So how am I writing the intercept form? You see, x by a plus y by a is 1. In the place of b, I am substituting a. Now if we take the LCM and send that a to the other side, you will get x plus y is equal to a. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now this equation number 1 passes through a point. What is that point? 7, 8. Now in the place of x you put 7. In the place of y you put 8. So 7 plus 8 is equal to a. That means a is equal to 15. So you got a value. Now substituting this a value in equation number 1. So x plus y is equal to 15. Or you can also write it as x plus y minus 15 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Now take the next question. Find the equation of line whose intercepts on the x-axis is 3 times its intercept on the y-axis and which passes through 1 minus 1, 3. So again you find the word intercept here. So we need to use equation of line in intercept form. So what is equation of line in intercept form? It is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now also what is given to us? Intercept on x-axis is 3 times its intercept on y-axis. So what does it mean? See, x-intercept is a and y-intercept is b. That means a is equal to 3b. Now let us put this condition in the above equation. So in the place of a we will write 3b plus y by b is equal to 1. If we take LCM, we get x plus 3y is equal to 1. Cross multiply, we get x plus 3y is equal to 3b. Okay, let us say this is equation number 1. Now equation number 1 passes through the given point. What is the point given? -1, 3. So in the place of x you put -1, in the place of y you put 3. So -1 plus 3 into 3 is equal to 3b. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 is equal to 3b. So b is 8 by 3. Now substitute this b value in equation number 1. So you will get x plus 3y is equal to 3 into 8 by 3. 3 get cancelled. You get x plus 3y equals to 8, or x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Take another question. Find the area cut off from the axis by the line in 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. So first try to understand the question. This is coordinate axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is origin. There is a line which is cutting both the axes. We need to find out this area. And this is the line 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. Okay. Now, first we need to convert this into intercept form, because we know that this is x-intercept and this is y-intercept. So first let us write what is the given line equation. Given line equation is 3x plus 5y equals to 15. So how to convert this into intercept form? Dividing by 15 on both sides. So 3x by 15 plus 5y by 15 is equal to 15 by 15. 3 ones are 3 5s are. 5 ones are 5 3s are. 15 15 cancel. So x by 5 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. Now here comparing with the intercept form. What is the intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3. Now using this x-intercept and y-intercept, we need to find area of triangle OAB. Let's say this point is A and this point is B. We need to find out area of triangle OAB. So the formula is half mod OA into OB. So that is half mod AB. That is half mod. What is A and what is B? 5 into 3. That is 15 by 2 square units. Always write square units whenever you want to find area, because area is measured in square units. Take the next question. A straight line cuts the coordinate axis at A and B. So I'll show you by figure. This is coordinate axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is the origin. Now there is a straight line which is cutting these two axes at A and B. That means it is cutting x-axis at A and it is cutting y-axis at B. Now we need to find the equation of a line if the midpoint of AB is 1, 2. So this midpoint is given 1, 2. Let us take it as P. Now if A is lying on x-axis, its coordinates can be written as small a, 0. If B is lying on y-axis, its coordinates can be written as 0, b, because whenever a point lies on x-axis, its y-coordinate will be 0. And whenever a point lies on x-axis, its y-coordinate will be 0. Okay. So, first let us write what is equation of a line in intercept form. That is x by a plus y by b is equal to 0. Now, a line cuts the coordinate axis at A and B. So let's say A point is A, 0 because it is lying on x-axis. its y coordinate will be 0, and b is equal to 0 comma b, because b is lying on y axis, so its x coordinate will be 0. Now P is the midpoint. So what is the formula for midpoint? X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. We are using midpoint formula here. Now in the place of P, we will write 1 comma 2. And for my convenience, I'm writing a comma 0, 0 comma b over here, so that it will be easier for me to substitute. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Now you substitute in the midpoint formula, you will get a plus 0 by 2, 0 plus b by 2. So if we equate x coordinates and y coordinates, we will get 1 is equal to a plus 0 by 2. So that is a by 2 is equal to 1. Cross multiply, we will get a is equal to 2. Now 2 is equal to 0 plus b by 2. So b by 2 equals to 2 cross multiply, you will get b is equal to 4. So you got a and b values. So what are the points? Point is 2 comma 0 and the other point is 0 comma 4. Now what is the equation of a line? Equation of a line is, now I will show you how to use 2-point form. Equation of a line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, right? So y minus y1 is equal to, in the place of m we are writing y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. If we cross multiply, we will get y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 into x minus x1. Now we have a and b points. Take them as x1, y1 and x2, y2. So now substitute here. Y minus 0 is equal to 0 minus 2. Sorry, y minus y1 into 0 minus 2 is equal to y2 minus y1 is 4 minus 0 into x minus x1, x minus 2. So if you simplify this, what will you get? Y into minus 2 is equal to 4 into x minus 2. Open the brackets, minus 2y is equal to 4x minus 8. Take all terms one side. 4x plus 2y minus 8 is 0. If you take 2 common, 2x plus y minus 4 is 0. This is the final equation.